let's take a look at your UniPress app on an iPhone. Take a look at the Genesee Sun app. The number 35 in the corner tells the reader that there are 35 new articles waiting to be read. Once the reader opens the app, the number 35 resets to 0, and when there's a new article, a 1 will appear for 2 new articles, and so on. Now I'm going to jump into the DK app here in the top right. And what you'll notice is a splash screen opens up. This happens to be a 3-second video. You can fade in a logo, really anything you like. We have the list view of the articles. And as I scroll down, you'll notice that the date sticks to the top, so you always know what day's articles you're looking at. Let's hop into this Steelers article. The big image at the top is simply the WordPress featured image. So when you publish this article in WordPress and you create a feature image, it automatically shows up in the app just like this. You'll see that there are 6 comments on the app, and in this case you have to be a registered user, in other words a paying subscriber, in order to view and comment. Now if I scroll down a little bit, it tells me I need to subscribe. This app is hooked up to our leaky Paywall, metered Paywall system for WordPress. If a reader has subscribed on the web, they simply can log in. They'll have a token on their My Account page on the website that they can add right in here. If they have not subscribed, they can subscribe in the app. Now, if someone subscribes in the app, they'll have access on your website. On the bottom, you'll see an ad. This ad is added right in your WordPress dashboard manually. And if you add a second ad, it'll simply rotate through. So you can have multiple ads here. We do support Google DFP, and more platforms are coming. Okay, let's go back. There's a hamburger menu in the top left. If we click that, that brings out the menu. What can you put in the menu? Well, you control this menu right in WordPress. You can add pages, you can add categories, tags, and if you use the IssueM plugin for WordPress to manage issues, it'll display your current and past issues. Let's load up the Steelers articles. This is simply a WordPress category, and here are all the Steeler categorized articles. If we look at the top right hand corner, you'll see a mechanical wheel. There are a couple of functions in here that are helpful. One is the font size. If I'm having trouble reading the font, I can simply bump it up, and if I want push notifications, I can turn them on or off right with the tap of a button.